everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update on my fitness journey. So I have lost over 40 pounds so far, and I keep going. I'm not yet where I want to be, but I'm heading there, I'm gonna be putting pictures into the video here, but I started out, I just looked inflamed more. And I think even if you compare this video to the first one, you can kind of tell. But things that have been helping me to lose this weight have been walking 10,000 steps and really just watching what I eat. I have been going harder with exercise than diet, which is slowing me down. Summer is already around the corner, and I don't know about you guys, but this year I'm not accepting failure this year. I'm not accepting less than, and for myself anyway. So I have not been as disciplined with my diet, and it's intentional. It's been intentional because I didn't want to overwhelm myself with the changes that I'm making and then end up losing interest and just giving up. So just small incremental steps, if you may. But the most important things that have helped me have been the 10,000 steps. So the workout that I'm inserting into this video, that's pretty much what I've been doing the whole time. If I'm working out, this is what I'm doing. Very light, low intensity lifting, not heavy lifting, very low intensity lifting, and then just also walking. I've been walking the 10K. I do my best. Some days I don't feel like it, so I just walk. I don't go to the gym. But if I do, and sometimes I push myself all the way, and I'll just go and I will do like a bare minimum. But for me, it's a win just making it there to the gym. I have managed to make this now a habit. I feel like I'm missing something if I don't do my regular routine, which is similar to the video. Anyway, summer is already around the corner, and I don't know about you guys, but I have goals. I want to look a certain way in my clothing, and also just you want to feel good. You want to feel your best and look your best in the summer. And when you look good, you feel good, right? Yeah. When you look good, when you look good, you feel good. You feel me? So with that, this is the first video of this series, but I will be calling it the Buns Out Countdown series. So pretty much it's gonna be my way of trying to just be more disciplined in order to make sure that I'm feeling my best and looking my best when summer comes around. I started this on the 22nd of April. It's gonna go up until the 22nd of June, so that's like 2 months. When I started, I weighed 182 pounds. I will insert the video of day one as well. And then today, I got on the scale and I weigh 178 pounds. So far I have lost 4 pounds for that 1 week. And I've been doing the things that I'm sharing here right now. Number one, the first thing for this Buns Out Countdown series is going to be to continue doing my 10,000 steps a day. So I'm doing them every day, at least 5 days a week. Number two, I'm cutting out all sugar. Even with my coffee, I just had it black since that day, since the 22nd of April. So black coffee, no sugar at all. The only carbs that I'm having are oatmeal, so I can have oatmeal. And then from fruit, which in my oatmeal I put apples, blueberries, bananas. And in my oatmeal, I also put honey sometimes. I put peanut butter, and sometimes I put maple syrup. Those are my sugar sources only. Everything else is cut off. So I haven't been eating any chips or snacking. No snacking is allowed. I have not been, no sodas or anything. All I can have is water, black coffee, tea with no sugar, and tea with no sugar. And that's it. Number two will be no eating after 7 p.m. sorry, no eating after 8 p.m. This has been the hardest thing for me. This has been the hardest thing to do. I don't know why I get hungry later in the evening, but that's one thing I want to be disciplined about. So no eating after 7 p.m. And then number 3 is focus on protein and cut out carbs except for what I mentioned. Focus on protein and fiber. Okay? What else am I forgetting? So also what I'm going to be doing for this Buns Out countdown series will be intermittent fasting. I'm going to be having an 8-hour eating window. So I'm eating only between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. 12 to 8 is my eating window, and after 8 I'm not allowed to do anything except drink water and tea with no sugar. Okay, that's what I've been doing so far. So good. If you also would like to lose a few 5 or 10 pounds, a few inches here and there, you're welcome to join me. I will be documenting my journey to be able to inspire, motivate, and also to hold myself accountable. Since I started filming myself with this fitness journey, it's been one of the things that's been keeping me going. So that's a tip as well. Take pictures of yourself, because when you compare, you do see the differences even on the days when, you know, the scale is lying or you're not feeling your best and things like that. So that's really it. I'll be posting every week with an update on where I'm at. And wish me luck. Good luck to you if you start on this. Even if you don't start and you're watching, then I'll see you on my next video. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you got this far. But other than that, thank you for watching. Bye. And I'll see you guys next week.
ありがとうございます。